In this video, I'll show you use Dual Messenger on a Samsung phone, allowing you to run two separate accounts for supported messaging apps on the same device. This feature is perfect if you want to keep your personal and work accounts separate without carrying two phones. To get started, go to the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Advanced Features, then tap on it to open the menu. Inside, look for Dual Messenger and select it. Samsung will display a list of compatible apps that support this feature, such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, and other supported messaging apps. Next, find the app you want to duplicate and turn on the toggle switch beside it. A disclaimer will appear explaining how Dual Messenger works. Read through the information, then tap Install to continue. Confirm your choice if prompted and wait a few seconds while your phone creates the second version of the app. Once the installation is complete, return to your home screen or open the app drawer. You'll notice a second icon for the selected app. This duplicated app is easy to recognize because it has a small orange badge in the corner. Open the cloned app and sign in with your second account. Your original app and the duplicated version work independently, so notifications, chats, and settings remain separate for each account. If you ever want to remove the duplicated app, simply return to Settings on Advanced Features, Dual Messenger, switch off the app you cloned, and confirm the removal. Now you're ready to enjoy the convenience of two separate accounts on one Samsung phone. Thanks for watching.